What if balance was the way your fund responded to changing markets? Presenting the Nippon India Balanced Advantage Fund that balances the exposure between equity and fixed income allocations based on dynamic market conditions. The fund's philosophy rests on disciplined risk management. It employs a proprietary quantitative model that responds thoughtfully to volatile market conditions and accordingly performs asset allocation. This approach helps eliminate human bias and comes with taxation benefits for the investor. The fund aims to generate better risk-adjusted returns by aiming for relative growth during uptrends and reducing downside in times of market volatility. Are you ready to see what balanced allocations could bring to your portfolio? Invest in Nippon India Balanced Advantage Fund.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.